Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gaining access to the authoritative DNS control now. Log into the registrar or cloud console and open the zone that contains the private hostname. Once done, export or snapshot the zone for rollback and note TTL values. This makes propagation predictable. Find the exact record type, A, or CNAME, and any linked aliases. Make sure to also check internal DHCP or private DNS services, because removing a public record won't clear internal leases or reverse entries. Next, perform the deletion carefully. Remove CNAME records first, then O or IA records that point to the host. If the name is tied to a cloud instance, unassign the DNS name or public IP mapping so it won't be recreated by automation. Update reverse DNS, PTR, and internal DHCP reservations to avoid stale mappings. Also reduce the TTL before deletion if you hadn't done so earlier. This speeds removal across caches. Finally, commit and publish the zone changes so they propagate. Finish by validating removal. Flush your local resolver cache and run dig or ENS lookup against the authoritative name server to confirm the host name no longer resolves. Make sure clients clear caches or reboot network interfaces. Split horizon or internal DNS servers may still serve the old name. Allow time equal to the previous TTL for global caches to expire, and then recheck. If you still see the name, inspect forwarding DNS, VPN DNS, and automation that may recreate records. Fix or disable that source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.